Hi everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. How are you doing today? It is Saturday and I've been sitting around a little bored. I mean, there's things I could be doing, but you know. But I didn't have anything to record. And it's not sunny today. It's warm, but not sunny, so it would have been a perfect day because I wouldn't have the sun moving all around. But I had nothing to do. Well, the mail finally came. Let's see, what is it now? Just almost 4 o'clock or so. And it finally came, and there were like 6 packages on my porch. One that caught my eye, though, that I do right away is my Dia&Co box. So I have to start doing that. That's time sensitive. So let's get started on it. Of course, here's the priority envelope that they always send for me to send back things that I don't like. And the little envelope, look inside for your stylist tips and tricks, order invoice, and more. Of course, Monday's a holiday, so I won't get to mail this back till Tuesday. Now, I'm not going to open it up and look at the prices. So here's, ooh, pretty colors. Ooh, let me stop this and snap a picture. Let's see, where is, oh, the way the colors are, there's no way to see the photo part. Where is it? What the heck? Back. So let's get started. I snapped a picture. Now, let's see. Ooh, one of them's a purse. Okay, first off on the top is some little bike shorts or something. All of a sudden everything got fuzzy. And these are Bally Total Fitness in a 1X. Do they think that I'm into fitness? Let's see, where's the English part? Oh, it's all in different languages. But okay, looks like it's 92 poly, 8% spandex, machine wash, cold with light colors. I don't know. It looks like they'd be pretty tight. I'd only be wearing them like around the house here. I wouldn't be doing exercising. I'll try them on. Then, the purse. Cute. And it is a Moda Luxe, Modaluxe. Moda Luxe. Oh, I see, it expands. So you can lift it up and have it thinner. So it looks like it's about, what'd you think, about 2 inches that way. And it also unzips right in the flap. And there, just a little, that smelled kind of like a wet radiator, you know, a stinky radiator water. Okay, and then inside, cute, it's got a contrasting, can you see the pattern? Contrasting pattern. So it's not just solid black. It's got a little, you know, pouch thing there, or, you know. And then on the other side, there's a zipper. I wonder why it smells like a... And it is a crossbody. Okay. Next, we have a Merry Sky. This is definitely my style. V-neck, t-shirt, short sleeve. And this is a 1X, so it might be too big. Let's see, I hate to say it, it might be too big. 100% cotton. Well, it's made in China, so it will shrink, I'm sure. Machine wash cold. But it's a nice color. We'll have to see what Bob thinks. Then we have a hiatus brand. Little cuff, short little sleeve, not short sleeve, but more like cap. V-neck. Like the pattern, it's kind of a gray t-shirt material with little white dots. It's hiatus brand, 1X, made in Mexico. Let's see. 79 poly, 28 rayon, 4% elastane. And it is machine wash cold. Perfect, everything so far. So far, I'm happy. Let's see how it looks. And the last item, this one's longer, I think. This one is a Molly and Isadora. Can't complain. It's, short sleeve, V-neck, kind of a creamsicle with off-white pattern, more like a animal pattern. 1X, made in Mexico. And it is 95 poly, 5 spandex. Machine wash cold. Perfect. Well, everything out of the box is perfect. So let's try it all on. Move the box out of the way. We'll sit up over here, do my fashion show. So hold on. Okay. Here we've got the shorts. Well, I turn to the sides when you see all that. They fit okay. They're comfortable. And then the shirt. What you think, kids? Bob thinks it looks okay. He likes the shirt. I thought maybe it was too big because when I put it on, it went down here. I think it will shrink a little. He thinks if I had it any smaller, it might be too small. So I'll leave the shorts on and I'll put the other tops on. So hold on. And here is the second top. I just left these on. A little longer in the back. Bob's comment was, and then he followed it with, it's shorter. He thinks it's just a little too short. So, see what you think. And here is the last top. I went ahead and put my joggers back on. You can see how it looks. Longer pants. Of course, normally my pants wouldn't be this baggy. Bob liked this one. And, Lucy's on his lap, and I asked what she thought, and she just kind of slowly turned her head and looked away, which told me that she doesn't want to say. Be right back with you. Okay, I am back. Exhausting. Well, now the sun's trying to peek out. See, it's starting to shine. Okay, well, first thing we'll do is the purse. Now, I don't need this. You know me, I love my Vera Bradleys. Yeah, it's cute, and I could keep it, but I don't think I would even think of using it. It's just kind of too small for me. So let's see what it cost. It cost $39. It's a Caitlin crossbody. $39. So then the first thing whoops, sorry, Mr. Pumpkin. What's these shorts? These ballet shorts. Oh, I see there are pocket on the side part. I don't know if I need them. I'll just have to think about it. And these would cost $40. I could get 2 pairs of shorts probably. QVC. And the brands I like. Next we had the Merry Sky. Very pretty color. Love the color. We liked the fit. And let's see what the price is. $29. Good price. Part to get perfectly in between here. So, $29 for the orange top. Then next I tried this one. Which is really cute. Bob thought it was too short. My issue with it is I don't really want that short a sleeve now. And I've got a bunch of them that length, so that one, which one was that? That was the hiatus. That was $39, and that's called the Letty French Terry short sleeve top. And the last one I tried on with the longer pants. I also, when I put it on, I had the shorts on. But this one, Bob really liked. And like I say, when I asked Lucy directly what she thought, she just kind of goes, which tells me she's no dummy. She knows not to say anything. If you can't say anything nice, don't say anything at all. That's her theory. And that one was $32. So everything was under $50, like I've requested of them. The merchandise total came to $179. So if I was to go in the store, I would and buy them all. I'd pay $179 plus tax. The styling fee that I will pay could go towards anything I want to keep, and that's $20. Then if I bought the full box, I'd get 25% off of the 5 items, which would be $44.75. So the total would be $114.25. See if they got any notes, extra notes here. And of course the shipping's free. So let's see what she said, my stylist. Hi Beverly, welcome back. Inés de la Fresange said, the secret of great style is to feel good in what you wear. So following that advice, I've included pieces that you'll look and feel beautiful in. I know you typically don't love shorts, but when I saw these bike shorts in navy, I thought you might like to try them. I did, I tried them. I might keep them, we'll see. Wear them with any of these tops you found from our Dia shop. I did. I tried every one of the top on with it. And flats. Don't forget the colorful lilac crossbody. Oh, that's the purse. And some SPF before you head out into that Arizona sun. See, she knows I'm going to be heading down there in the next few months. When you utilize our Dia shop, you have the option to directly purchase individual items or utilize our new Try Before You Buy feature. With this new feature, you can order up to 10 items directly from the Dia shop, send them straight to you, and try everything on before you commit to keeping the styles. Well, that's nice. Best wishes, Jennifer. Okay. So I have 5 days to try everything on, tell them what I think. Some of that will depend on what you guys think. I want to get all your young minds, working to say, okay, even though you're in the age you are, that style looks okay on you. Or that style, no, this doesn't cut it. I want to know from you. I really do value your opinion. So, comments below, share, like, subscribe, and I hope you're all having a terrific holiday weekend. I love you all. Bye.